Good evening to all of you, my dear lovely video viewers. How have you been? I hope that you are not bad. Today in this video, I will explain about my family. First of all, I will explain myself. My name's Abdullah Al Mamun. Everyone call me Mamun. If you want, you can call me Mamun. I have one elder brother. He has been staying in Gazipur city for 15 years. It is so long for him. It doesn't matter. Side by side, I have one elder sister. She is married. And I'm only one earning person in my family. That's why every day I am to work hard in my field. It doesn't matter. I have no complaint about my family. Side by side, my parents they are helping me a lot to hard work in my field. For that, every day I have to work hard in my field. And my father, he is oldest person in my family. For that, every day I am to work hard in my field. Side by side, my mother, she is oldest person in my family. That's why every day I am to work hard in my field. And my elder brother, he is helping me a lot to cultivate different kinds of potato in my field. He is helping me a lot to work hard in my field. Side by side, when I need money, that time he gave me some money to lead my family. That's why I always love my elder brother, and my siblings, they always loves me and I always loves them. It is so important for me. Side by side, my father, he is always staying in my house. For that, every day I am to come in my field for work. Right now I'm standing beside my field. I have been working in my potato field since morning. It doesn't matter because I'm cultivator. That's why every day I will hard work in my field. Side by side, today in this video I want to share with you. Every day I am to work hard in my field. At the same time, I am to stay in my pesticide shop. You know that it is my main income source. Like this way I can lead my family every single day. Today in this video I'm gonna sharing this matter. Why I'm sharing? Because I want to improve my communication skills. At the same time, I want to improve my speaking skills. For that, a few minutes ago I was working in my field. That time I was listening English podcast. That time I have decided I will explain my family. It is a main topic to practice my English, to make English video in front of the camera. It is so important for me. If you are crazy English learner and you can practice English like this way, at the same time you can make English video every single day like this way. I hope that success will come definitely if you practice English regularly. So keep practicing, keep making English video. See you next time.